Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my next episode to my entrepreneur series, and this is going to be a inventory unboxing. I know I've spent at least $200+ on my inventory products, so yeah, if you want to see what I got for my lip gloss press-on beauty online business, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is the containers that I put my glitter and lip scrubs in. So I have two different sizes. I have these little red ones which hold 5 milliliters of product. I will show you a picture of what it looks like when it comes. It comes in a little cardboard box. I got them off of Amazon, and I believe I got 50 for a really affordable price. I think it was less than 10 bucks. And then these bigger pink ones hold 20 or 15 milliliters of product. I believe it's 20 though. 20 milliliters or 15 milliliters of product in them. And I got these in a set of 25 maybe, I think, but super affordable. I will try to leave everything linked down below that I got. And these are in this bag because I already sanitized all of them, washed them, and disinfected. So yeah, I got that. Then I got these dried botanical petal red roses for my lip oil. I put these in my lip oil to make it look all pretty, and it's like infused with rose kind of in a way. So yeah, I also got this off of Amazon. Super pretty. Next is lip gloss tubes. So I got the largest lip gloss tubes that I could find. These are squeezy tubes, and these hold 20 milliliters of product in them. I wanted my lip gloss to last my customers a while. I don't want to be one of those like sellers that sell like 5 milliliter or 10 milliliter. I'm sure I will branch out and add varieties so it's more affordable for anyone who wants smaller tubes of product. But like I said, I want my product to last my customer, my Rose family, anyone who gets it, a while. So yeah, these are super long, like they're longer than my finger. And yeah, so I will insert a video here of what they look like and some other stuff. But I got these off of Amazon, and I think it came with 50, but the Amazon posted 48, so maybe they like just figured why not make it 50. But yeah, it comes with the tubes, then it comes with the lids and these stoppers. And again, they're in my Ziploc bag because I have them washed and disinfected already. Next, I got some styrofoam plates to mix my Versagel and lip gloss mixes in. Really, I got these from Walmart for like $3, I think, maybe. Comes in a decent size amount. Then I got shredded paper. I wanted pink shredded paper, but in the lighting in Target, it looked pink to me, but it's actually like red and white. So I'm trying to run through this. I do have some gold shredded paper that I will show you next, but I just mixed the red and white and put them in here, so it's easier for me to just grab it and put it in the package. So there is that, and each bag was like $2. So for mailers, I did get these at first. This was for when I was just doing press-on nails and selling just on Mercari and Poshmark and Facebook and Instagram. I was using these blue ones because I ran out of my other colors. But my brand, I want the colors to mainly be pink, white, and gold. Mainly pink, but accents of white and gold. So I have these little gold ones for smaller orders, for like 1 lip gloss or 2 to 3 glosses, or just a pair of lashes, or you know, something small. I have these gold mailers, which are super cute. I believe these are 4x6, so they're super small. And these are 6x10 if I'm not mistaken. But I did order more mailers that are, I think, 8.5x12 or somewhere around there, and they are pink. And I'm also going to get them in this size as well. So I will insert a clip of those when I get them because they should be here tomorrow. But yeah, those are what I have for mailers. So I did get some lash brushes. I'm going to be including 1 brush per order if you get lashes. Not per lash because you don't really need that many of these, you know. It's just to keep them maintained and fluffy. So any orders, like say you get press-on nails and 1 pair of lashes, there will be a mascara wand brush included. And these are white and black because I wasn't really sure where I wanted to go as far as color, but the next ones that I order will be either all pink, all gold, or all white. So yeah, I'm gonna run through these first. And those came in a pack of 100, and I got those off of Amazon. And this is the gold foil I was talking about. I got this from Walmart, I believe for $1. So yeah, this will be really cute to throw in my mailers, the pink or gold ones or the blue ones until I run out. But super cute, and they only have one pack, so I only got one pack. So next I got a pack. I believe these came in a 4-pack, but these were 20 milliliter syringes, which aren't really useful for 20 milliliter squeezy tubes. Like, I filled it up once and would have to refill it again. So yeah, these came in a 4-pack, but I'm definitely gonna get the 60 milliliter ones because I didn't think that through. I didn't think that part through. So yeah, I only have one left. As you can see, I already ran through 3 of them, so I will be ordering more soon. So the next thing I got that I still need to sanitize are these roll-on lip like oil things. They're the square ones. They're clear. They come with the square tube, the cap, and these roller ball. And I still need to sanitize these, but I put my lip oils in here. I also purchased these off of Amazon. So next are my oils. I did get these 2 oils. So at first I got this small one. I didn't realize it was 4 ounces, but this is the Now Solutions liquid coconut oil. It's pure fractionated coconut oil, and that is what it looks like. I have like a little bit left, or a little bit less than half a bottle. And since I'm making more glosses, I decided to just get the full-size bottle. So this one is 16 fluid ounces. This is coconut oil, and then I got the grapeseed oil, and these 2 work like heaven for my gloss. So if you haven't tried it, try it. They're super affordable and they're really good quality. And just for comparison, like just to compare in size, 4 ounces, 16 ounces, you just get better value from the 16 ounce one. So when I first was getting my ingredients, I figured coconut oil, I could find that in Walmart in the cooking or baking section. So I got this, and this is unrefined virgin coconut oil, which I will use to remove my makeup, but I would not use this in my gloss because this oil will solidify in cooler temperatures, and in hotter temperatures it will liquefy. As you can see, this whole jar was liquid one day when I came into my room, and I was like, what? There's no way my room is that hot that solid coconut oil is liquefied. It's just weird. But as you can see, my straight hair is turning curly, so it is definitely hot in this room. And then I got some vitamin E skin oil. This has keratin in it, and I just got this from Walmart. Super nourishing for the lips, skin. This stuff does amazing things for the body, trust me. And yes, I do put this on my lip gloss and anything else that I think could use vitamin E oil. So then I have this Mainstay Spearmint Essential Oil Blend. I used this in one of my lip scrubs to give it that minty hint, like scent flavor, and I love it. It smells good, it feels good, and yeah, super affordable. Next I have some Versagel. I got a 2-pack from TKB. This is their gloss base, and these are 5.5 ounces. So yeah, they came pretty decent timing. It took them about a week and a half to get to me. So yeah, I would highly recommend. It's really easy to work with, and it's just clear. So then I got some brown pigment for my brown glosses. Really, the stuff is bomb. It's lip liquid pigment, so I recommend you check out their pigments because they're really good. Then I got some food coloring for my lip scrubs. Just like if I want a blueberry lip scrub, like my Blue Jay lip scrub, which I will post a picture right here of. I just add a little bit of blue, or if I want to make like something pink, or, you know, mix it up a bit just to make it look cute and fun. Then I got some food coloring for that. Then I got 2 like pigments. One is a brown pigment, and then the other one is like a mica pigment, and I love both of them. They look really pretty on my gloss, so Again, these are from TKB. These are both sample sizes, and I feel like they're gonna last me a while because you really don't need a lot of this stuff to make your glasses like show any color. So the second one is like a shimmery one. This is what I use in my Mystic Bronze. I actually used a mixture of both of them, but yeah, really, really good. Last but not least, I got my flavoring oils. So I have them in this little white container, but I have 6 flavoring oils, and I got these from Walmart. They are from the Loran oils. This is the blueberry one. They come in packs of 3, or you could buy them on Amazon singles. Yeah, that is everything in my inventory haul. I definitely spent at least $200 on this stuff. So yeah, it's really affordable to start your business. Just if you want to do something, you got to take the step and do it and have the confidence to do it. You know, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Not everything works out for everyone, but you're never going to know if you don't try. So I think if you want to do something, you should just go for it, honey. Oh, there will be some clips after this that I will insert because I got a like little fur thing to take product shots on. And also I will insert a clip of my lash boxes because I did order those off of Amazon, I think, or eBay. They're like pink marble boxes and I love them. We are already at 600 subscribers, and I feel like we could hit 1,000 before the end of the year. That is my goal, and that would be the greatest Christmas gift ever, to hit 1,000 subscribers before next year. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I just got these other 3 things from Amazon in the mail. Excuse my nails, I'm trying to pop them off. So yeah, I got these Avery labels. The template number is 6520. This is going to be for like my ingredients or any type of labels that I need to put on my products. So I got these. Next, I got some washi tape. It says Sticky Tapes Gift on it. Pretty paper. Did they spell that right? Okay, so it says Pretty Paper with an extra P. I think that says Shura and words, but let me open the box. So this is what the washi tape looks like. It comes with 20 different rolls and different sizes, and I got this for my thank you cards and my packaging so that I can seal them up with something cute and pink, because you know I love pink. And these are super cute, super cute. And then last but not least, I got a pack of 150 buffers to include in my press-on nails. I figured it was about time. I do include a mini nail file and a nail glue, but I figured I would include some buffers, and I will be including orange sticks / cuticle sticks and alcohol pads soon as well. But I started with the buffers. So here it is. They are purple. I could have sworn they were a little bit more pink online, but it'll work, and it came with the extra file, so that's nice. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next clip. So the last 2 products from this inventory haul, I'm going to show you guys now. I know I look different. As I stated before, I was waiting for these 2 products to come in the mail. So the first thing that I got is this like square fur thing. So this is going to be really good for my product shots. I can just lay this somewhere and then just place like my lashes or my lip gloss or my press-on nails on it, and it'll look really appealing. So yeah, I just love the way the fur background looks as far as product shots go. So I got this off of Amazon, pretty affordable. I will try to leave it linked down below. And the last thing are these poly bubble mailers. So I got these, and these are, I believe, 8.5 times 12, or I'll leave a link down below. But these are the biggest size that I currently have, and this is the color that I was talking about that I am trying to transition to, like the baby pink. I love pink. So these come in a pack of 25, and I got these off of Amazon. So I'm gonna do like a size comparison to the ones that I currently have. Okay, so this is the one that I just got, which is the largest size again. And then these are the ones that I'm trying to work through. These blue ones, I'm most likely going to use these all throughout October because this type of blue gives me Halloween vibes. But once I'm done with this blue, I'm going to be getting the same size but in this color. I'm probably going to order those in a few days. So yeah, we'll be getting the same size but just this color. And then I have my smallest ones, which are the metallic gold ones, which I think I'm going to keep unless I can find them in this color too, this size, then I will get them this color. But these are the 3 sizes that I currently have. And again, my main colors for my brand are going to be pink, white, and gold. The main color being pink with accents of gold and white. So yeah, that is the end of this haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want. Oh, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join me on this journey. Also, I do want to give you guys a heads up. I am 26 days away currently when I'm filming this from my C-section or my water breaking, anywhere from here until then. So I am trying to get a lot of pre-filming done. Along with pre-filming, while I'm in recovery, I might film some makeup videos, but they will be voiceovers. So I'm just gonna sit down, do my makeup, and do a voiceover because I'm probably not gonna have the, I don't know how to explain it, like the attitude or the energy to do a talk through. So voiceovers are much simpler. But yeah, right now I'm doing a lot of pre-filming, trying to get everything done. I'm trying to get Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays filled up from September all the way through October going into November, because my recovery is going to be about 6 weeks, so about a month and a half. So yeah, I just want to get my schedule filled up. I want to say I'm like 15% way done with pre-filming. So on that note, yeah, that's just a little update I wanted to give you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, and having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!